Well, well, come on down. Come on down if you want a pecan. I just seen the woodpecker. He was around here a while ago. I walked outside and the woodpecker, he flew over here. Then he flew over by my door. Then he flew back over here and I went inside, got the pecans. I got these pecans right here. I just got a little bit right here. I'm gonna get them for the bird. But then I seen that squirrel, wherever that squirrel went to. All right, y'all ready? Yeah, I don't know where they went now. Squirrel and the bird. I don't see the squirrel or the bird. I see two or three birds up there playing. There he is right there. There's the red-headed woodpecker right there. Yeah. See, a while ago, he came by a while ago. You see him going right there. I think he's feeding babies or something. I think that red-headed bird there is feeding babies or something. He might be breaking it up, but the other day I seen him up there doing the same thing. Here he comes back. Ooh, there he went. Birds have been coming by my head all day this morning. That rain must have messed them up last night. I don't know where the woodpecker went to. But yeah, the woodpecker, when I come outside, the woodpecker was over here on this tree. He got on this tree, flew over here where I was at, then he flew back over here. And the squirrel was right here on this tree watching me. I'm gonna go back in there and get some more pecans and put them out because I only put this many out right now. I put that many out right there. Oh, red-headed woodpecker done come back. Red. I think they said that was a red-headed belly or red-headed belly. I'm not sure. I tried to look that bird up, but they got so many different woodpeckers. I know around here where I live at, we probably got about 4 different kinds of woodpeckers. Stop this video, stop.